last time. So there was there where Indraprastha, ఇంద్రుడు చారియట్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఆ చారియట్ వచ్చి ఆ లేక్ దగ్గర ఆయన ఒక్కనే ఈ మొత్తం కురుక్షేత్ర వార్లో ఆయన ఒక్కనే బతుకుంటాడు. మిగతా వాళ్ళందరూ చనిపోతారు, అర్జునుడు వీళ్ళందరూ చనిపోతారు. ఓన్లీ యుధిష్ఠిరుని ఒక్కడనే ఇంద్రుడు వచ్చి ఆ చారియట్లో తీసుకొని వెళ్తాడు. దట్ ఈస్ హౌ ఇట్ బికేమ్ చంద్రతల్ లేక్. And it has another story also between moon ki daughter, sun ki abbai, they fell in love, and that's how it is Chandratal Lake. Chandratal Lake. Okay, that is the reason they call it as. So they have a different stories anyways. So the people, China people akkad nunchi enter ayi Ladakh paina attack చేసేవారు. సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఏమైంది అని అంటే ఆ చంద్రతల్లి వీళ్ళందరికీ అప్పటి నుంచి ఆ హంతా పాస్ మీరు అటు వెళ్తే చంద్రతల్లి నుంచి ఇంకొక 10 kilometers వెళ్తే యూ విల్ సీ పాకిస్తాన్ బార్డర్ దే. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ యూ విల్ సీ వెరీ హ్యూజ్ సెక్యూరిటీ అండ్ ఆల్ థింగ్స్ ఇన్ చంద్రతల్. అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ ఇన్ చంద్రతల్ దే డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ హోటల్స్ ఆర్ ఎనీథింగ్. దట్ ఈస్ జస్ట్ ఎన్ vacation basis. That means only 2-3 months के लिए tent setup होती है and immediately they'll remove that one. So you need to have, like, you know, if you want to a very good beautiful place. It's one of my favorite places, like, you know. Now Pangong Lake is very commercial. There is no kind of peace or something, but it is obviously for the first timers it is very good lake to see. It's a different story if you know that one. At that high altitude, forming a saltwater lake at that place was still an, you know, unsolved puzzle. अरे उतना हाइट पे mystery. Yeah, thank you. So how, like, you know, this saltwater lake came to that height, like, you know, normally the saltwater lake happen in a very low level, oceans, ये सब होते हैं. उतना ऊपर कैसा है, no one knows it. And 70% of the ocean is in China and 30% of it is in India. So before, like, you know, when the things were not proper, once the people used to cross from there, so there used to be 10,000s of bodies there. Even now, if the, like, you know, completely snow chala jaake agar sand dunes aake pura aa gaye, you can see hundreds of bones there. The people, they didn't even pick up from there. The hundreds of army people, that is mostly the army people used to die. Now the much technology with oxygen cylinders and all, they are good now, but before it was, like, you know, different story. And
only like
manam veltunte you will see hundreds of, might be now you won't be able to see, but normally you will see hundreds of these trucks and fallen there because that road is very dangerous. So many trucks will be fallen on the ground. You will be seeing tires ek jagah, lorry ka ek truck ek jagah, you'll see that engine ek jagah, you'll see that story there. So this is what it is, the story. And you know this Three Idiots story, right? Not climax ka scene pe udhar hai, not that story. I meant the Three Idiots ka jo real person hai. Okay, what is the name in the story? Movie mein story ka naam kya hai? Unsik Wangdu. The real person is from Ladakh. The person, the character was taken from Ladakh. It is very surprising to know this much of water you see, this much of ice is there, but there is a scarcity of water in Ladakh. Okay, very much scarcity. So that is the reason this person has made a concept called ice stupa. Okay, this was a story where winter में जब ज़्यादा ice पड़ती है, there is a huge snowfall. So he made a design to ensure that that's called in storage. It becomes as an storage for the, in the winter it becomes as an ice stupa. Okay, and in the summer जब पिघलता रहता है उसका पानी, he made it ensure that it will reach to the fields of Ladakh. From then the people started cultivating the land. Actually, see how irony it is. They are like, you know, surrounded. These people are surrounded with these huge Himalayas and all, and but they were not able to cultivate the land. And that is how he came up, and that is how he started. And many innovative things in Ladakh, if you see, that is all started by him. He is still alive. He is the person who is fighting for the rights of this Ladakh and all person.
What's the name of?
Name Gutraatla. It's some tongue twisting untadi. If you Google it, you'll get it. Ice stupa and kotteste vachestadi. Just you type ice stupa.
Artificial glacier.
So it's a beautiful concept. దాని గురించి చదవండి. I'm not so scientifically అంత explain చేయలేను, but it's a very good concept. Ice లో ఉన్నప్పుడు it becomes a storage, and in the summer it becomes into a rain, and that's how it will get harvested. So basically ఈ Ladakh and you know this Ladakh, you came to this Atal or Rohtang, right? See, Rohtang or something you came, right? So this right side is Ladakh, the left side is Spiti. So now I see Ladakh is much commercialized, and jo roads the which was really a meaning for the life, but now it is very plain actually. What you are riding now is just an, like, you know, what 10% of 10%. We actually thought at that time, అరే యార్ ఇది ఇట్లాగే ఉండాలి, దీన్ని కట్టకూడదు. At that time we remember like, అటల్ ఏదో స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నట్టు గుర్తుంది. సో వీ యూస్ టు థింక్ దట్ లైక్ అరే ఇక్కడ రోడ్స్ వేస్తే లైక్ ఇదంతా కమర్షియల్ అయిపోతుందేమో, లైక్ మైట్ బి మీరు కిలాంగ్లో చూస్తుంటే వన్స్ వీ క్రాస్డ్ కిలాంగ్ దెర్ ఈస్ అ హ్యూజ్ లైక్ గార్బేజ్ థ్రోన్ ఆన్ ద, హ్యావ్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్డ్ ఇట్?
Yes, yes.
Once you come out of it, there was a huge garbage thrown out in the hills. That was really saddening to see. Because that is obviously the tourists are coming up, so obviously the hotels are growing in, and that is otherwise in Keelong mein the bas do hi hotel the, Keelong in tha aur ek hotel tha bas. In Keelong there were no many hotels. Now you see hundreds of hotels have opened, and definitely after might be 10 years it will be Sarchu mein aur ek 10 hotels ho jayenge, Pang mein 10 hotels ho jayenge. That's how it might change. And
ले में भी हो जाता.
yeah, exactly. Leh, this is Leh.
On the way.
On the way, obviously that might come. That is the reason like the people say like a tourist se wahi dikkat hoti hai, like they just come, they just throw their things and all that. That is why we always encourage the people to be travelers, like whenever we are going through anything, like we always encourage you to be a traveler. A traveler thinks is always like you see a nature as a nature and keep it untouched. Okay, do not do something great for it, but just don't spoil it by throwing, say simple like अपना एक chocolate wrap भी फेंक देंगे, that will be making a huge difference there. That is how it is. So this is the part of Ladakh, and you see this Spiti, that's a different story again. Still I feel Spiti is like what I heart for, like still it is raw, and might be people doesn't know much about it, and like it is still raw. You can see the natural beauty there. Not more this hadbadi kuch nahi hai. It is very good. You see very beautiful roads there. You go to Langza, and still see why you are able to see the sky properly. Even in Ladakh we used to see like 4-5 years back even we used to see good stars and all. Now it becomes so huge hotels and all, you won't be able to see now. There you go, you will see beautiful stars. Milky Way directly naked eyes in India you can see only there. Okay, so you have that Langza, you have a beautiful trip there. Monasteries you have not. Acha, by the way, you are in Tibetan land, you know that? You know the story about this? Why these Tibetan people came to India?
No.
I don't.
Actually, what happened was, this Dalai Lama.
Yeah.
Now he is what is the present one? 14th person. He is Dalai Lama. Antena? Might be. So actually, this there is a Guru Tibetan follow obviously Buddhism. So in Buddhism the people who follow Buddhism, China people doesn't like them obviously. So the China people used to attack them every now and then so they can abolish this Buddhism from the roots. Okay, so because they have a different concept, they don't run away with money, they don't run for the money or stuff. Okay, they have a different kind of a story. Not Ladakh. Now Ladakh is much commercialized down now. You have to really see the Tibetans. You will see in remote areas or like monasteries, jahan bhi monasteries hote hain. So the China people used to continuously attack, and then the Indian government thought like they wanted to. Tibetan thought like, "Arey yaar, humko help karo. We are a very small country. We don't have much of power also to go against China, huge country." Then that's how India stepped in. They fought the war with China, and that's how Tibetan was like उनको थोड़ा सा land दिया गया था कि like यार you can migrate to India. That is how they started migrating to all this Himachal mein. You will see this Ladakh area much occupied by these Tibetans,
yeah.
and that is how you see these monasteries much in monasteries ante mana temples. You can tell that one. So these monasteries are like mana temples alago, these monasteries are like that. So you will see original okate monastery, that is Dhankar monastery. That is way back natural made monastery. ఇవన్నీ వేరే monasteries ఏంటి అంటే వీళ్ళు బిల్డ్ చేస్తారు. కాకపోతే న్యాచురల్గా monastery వచ్చేసింది మనకి ధన్కర్లో ఉంది. ధన్కర్ ఇస్ ఇన్ కాజా డిస్ట్రిక్ట్లో ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ధన్కర్. So the story was, the recent story was, Dalai Lama, you know that story. Actually what happens is, Dalai Lama, like how he's the in charge for this right now Tibetan things and all stuff. So because he doesn't stay in Tibetan, Indian government has given him Dharamshala. So he stays at Dharamshala at present, under the protection of Indian government. Always the China people wants to kill him, so that he doesn't promote this much to in this one. So that is how this Dalai Lama stays there and all. So he visits these places. Okay. So when a person dies, for example, I am Karthik, I am dying. So I'll tell the next Dalai Lama is him. Okay. How after he die, just 3 साल के होते हुए, you will be just 4 years. You will be questioned Like, you know, your things will be there, your mind memories, your back life memories, all will be answered by that kid. That is how. So ये जो जज करने वाला बंदा होता है, like, you know, who will be judging this person is called Panch Lama. So Panch Lama, when he was just 5 years, Panch Lama is also something like that. Panch Lama is the one who decides Dalai Lama. So Panch Lama, when he dies, he'll tell, before dying, he'll tell this person will be the, just like, you know, when 1 or 2 years, he'll tell at so and so place, I am going to, you know, reborn there. So he'll be really reborn, and these people will be questioning him, like, you know, cross question. Itna koi many questions. His things will be kept. He'll be picking up the things. Everything will be clearly said. So what China people have done is, they doesn't want him to be the next person and want to stop this one. They arrested him. They arrested
China people.
China people arrested when he was just 5 years. How many years he was? Just 5 years, and they arrested him. Now they doesn't know, the Tibetan people doesn't know whether he died or whether they kept him in a jail or what he is. No one knows it. That is the at present story of Panch Lama. Dalai Lama story is, he is the 14th incubator, if I'm not wrong, not into all this. So he is the person who will be taking up the next position. So abhi every Tibetan, every monastery, there is a big question is, who will be the next in charge if he dies? He's almost like, you know, 70s or 80s, I guess. So if he dies, who is the next person? Because Panch Lama, jo originally decide karta hai, he was captured at his 5 years itself. Now who will decide the next thing? They doesn't know that one. So
In 50 years back.
50 years back. Now they doesn't know whether he's alive or how he will come. And all these people believe that there will be a way that, like, you know, he will come up, and that's how he will be staying in Volca. There is a way to tell up. And that's how these people believe. And you have to see all this in the monasteries. If you go there, 5 monasteries are there. One is Kaza Monastery, one is Ki Monastery, one is Dhankar Monastery, and Parikar Monastery, and one more is Pin Monastery. So these 5 monasteries you have to visit in your life once. That's a very beautiful stories you will listen about Tibetan culture and how they live, what they live for. So there's a different story, and how they were really tortured by the Chinese people and all, and how they have made up their life again, and how thankful they will be for the Indians. Because we have given them the place. And also normally, if you all know that one, India is the only country in the complete world we didn't never invade any other country. Okay, we never invaded any other country for power, for anything, land or anything. All the other countries have done it. Okay, and Switzerland is the only one country which no one. Sorry.
Army ఉండదు వాళ్ళకి covered కాబట్టి Alps.
Switzerland is the only one country which was not attacked by any other country, because that is completely covered. So that's the only country, and India is the only country which we never invaded. We always welcomed every kind of people into our country, and we never, and also the biggest thing is we gave them the rights. Now, that's how these Ladakh people have got this union territory now. Okay, and we always give them the rights. That's what the India is all about. Chalo, itla చెప్పుకుంటూ వెళ్తే ఇంకా చాలా చెప్తున్నట్ట. So that's what it is about. Okay.
Yep.